Adventure once again has sung its calling song to Matteo. This time drawing him to one of the most northern cities in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Join us for nail-biting hikes along the edge of a cliff face, to magical waterfalls, from climbing mountains and taking a truck down roads meant for off-road vehicles.
I don't think we're going the right way. Nice.
This is Matteo Outdoors. The first stop on this adventure is Presque Isle. This small island just north of town offers a driving loop all the way around, with frequent opportunities to park and enjoy the views, or swim in the clear waters of Lake Superior. Known for its black rock faces, this area is called Black Rock. There is even a place to jump off the cliff face into the icy waters below. There are degraded blacktop trails in areas that lead you from one area to another. For Matteo, this is nice, but a little too peoply for him, so they quickly move on to another destination.
We climbed to the top of Sugarloaf Mountain, right? Sugarloaf Mountain. This is really cool. It's a lot of stairs. Fat guy warning, it's a lot of stairs, but this is cool. Totally worth it. Look at these views. Made it to the top. It's a little breezy.
Upon leaving Sugarloaf Mountain, Matteo discovers a waterfall not too far away. The listing on their phone says it's a moderate hike due to a steep hill at the beginning of the path.
There's an arrow that way. Up another friggin' hill.
Little did they know, this would be one of the most dangerous hikes of the trip, pushing them to their limits. But the payoffs would be worth it.
Bunch of acid came up in my throat. Let me try this here. There, that's not bad this way.
What?
It's easy over there. Just come down, step down there and hold on to branches. This is a little nuts. Freaking billy goat here. This is nuts.
Oh, there's big falls up there. Let's see.
Sir, come here. Wow.
Where are people going? Oh, way up there?
Way up there.
These little kids doing it in flip-flops. What the hell?
We made it. This is crazy. It's cool. Careful. Water crossing. So we made it up. What is this, Dead River? Dead River Falls. We made it there and back. is not an easy trail. Would you consider that moderate? That would be difficult. Yeah, that's a difficult trail. That's tough. You gotta be a damn billy goat to get up and down there easy. Yeah, or 20 years old, I guess. If I was 20 years younger, it might be easier, but that's nuts. But worth it. Very cool. Very pretty waterfall. So, it's starting to rain. We're walking down a very loose gravel hill. On to the next spot.
The next day, they set their sights on yet another waterfall in the area. This time, Yellow Dog River Falls, but the road there offered its challenges.
There better be people.
We're on the hunt for Yellow Dog Falls. I don't think we're going the right way, but we're on a 1-2 track dirt road in the middle of the UP. Now going towards Pinnacle Falls, I guess. We saw a sign, so we're driving.
Where are we?
So we are on Bob's Road. We're on some road in the middle of the damn woods trying to find these Yellow Dog Falls. The signage is horrible. There was a sign that said dog and pointed down this dirt road, and it turned into a 2-track in the woods, a logging road. And we got to the end. We drove 3 miles down this road, got to the end of it, where it was like a 1/4 mile away from the falls, and the road was closed and it's a private area. Do not enter the big thing across the road. So now we're driving back through it. There's a thunderstorm on our ass that sounds really wicked. So we're trying to get back across it, or out of here before that hits. And we're driving over some man-made, sketchy ass bridges. But it's cool. I'm having fun. This is awesome. Areas of Marquette that people don't see. Still driving back. This road is rough, man. It's cool though. Like, this is some exciting adventure. This is we definitely went the wrong way. Man, that's cool. Just mountains of logs though, as we're driving down these logging roads. Very cool. Just extreme off-roading. This is fun. We saw areas of Marquette today that not many people get to see. So that's cool. Let's see if we make it off the road though in one of these. Well, it's raining. We're in our rain gear. We never found the falls. Are you hiding? Never found the falls. It's pouring rain. We're in our rain gear and we're heading to some scenic overlook now. We think we found the falls, so we're gonna try that after this. But for now, we're walking in a thunderstorm to a scenic overlook because it at this point. We made it to the outlook. Okay, all that stuff I said about having to take really sketchy roads to get to Yellow Dog River Falls, ignore all that.
It's on the opposite side of the river.
We're on the wrong side of the river. We found a really nice, smooth, graded dirt road that takes you 4 miles right to the trailhead. So, yeah, we're gonna go for a hike now. Find the falls. So that was not the Yellow Dog River Bridge. This is the Yellow Dog River Bridge. It's pretty though. All right, we're on the hike. Let's go find these falls. Looks like we made it. I can't sing more or I'll get copyright infringement. It's pretty. Catch the mud. Got a nice bridge. We made it to the first falls. At least we can hear the first falls. Kind of see it. See if this goes around. Does that go down? We did it. We made it. Nice. So this is number 2, we think. Okay, yeah, we're definitely thinking this is the second falls. Ooh, really cool. And the third. Nope, we're on our way back to the parking lot. That was cool. About a 1 mile hike through some fairly thick woods, but pretty easy trail for the most part. Made it to all 3 waterfalls. So we're heading back now, and I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe go to a museum, maybe nothing, maybe just chill out and go get dinner. So if that means this is the end of this video or this trip, then I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe down below, click the bell, give me a thumbs up, comment, all that fun shit, and we'll see you on the next one. Left.